welcome back to my channel. So I have a wig on today because I love this wig and I really didn't feel like doing my hair. I'm actually like extremely sick right now. Today is one of my better days, so I'm really trying to get some filming in for you guys. So anyways, we're just gonna jump into the video. So the first thing we're gonna go into the Laura Geller blush. This is their Baked Blush in Brighten. This is in the color Tropic Hues. I love this so much, and I'm gonna go in with this Sophie Glam blush brush. And I'm just picking it up and of course putting it on my cheeks. And this wig gets in my way a lot. Very easily gets in my way. Alright, so now we're going to go in with bronzer. This is the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Looks like this. And it's in the color Deep Bronze. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe M530 brush. And I'm going into that. And we're just going to bronze up our face in all the places we normally do. Go on to highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills by Amrezy highlighter. I really love this highlighter. It's really good. Gold highlighters are hard for me to use when I'm using my lighter foundation, but this is a darker foundation for me. So I'm going to go into the Morphe M510 brush. It's my favorite brush to highlight with, and just highlight the cheeks, nose, all over our face. Alright, so now we're going to move on to eyes. We're going to be taking the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty FriendCation palette. First of all, can we talk about how beautiful this packaging is? It literally matches my backdrop. It's so beautiful. I love it. And then the inside is really good as well. I haven't really used every color in here besides like finger swatches. I haven't really messed with the green that much, this color that much, or this color. But the rest of them are absolutely amazing, and I love this palette. So I'm just going to go in with this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe R37 brush, and we're going to be going into this color right here. I feel like this color is just so pretty, and it looks just so good with like any eye look. And it is dark. It's not like as bright as I normally put in my crease, but I've been really loving it in my crease. So we're just blending it. I'm keeping everything real rounded and super blended. Nothing's going to be too bold and dramatic, but we are making sure to add some depth to it. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe M513 brush, and we're going to pick up this color right here, and we're just going to pick it up not too heavy on the brush, but we're going to start on the out of the eye and start blending it into the crease. This color is pretty light and you can build it up. It's not too bold and dramatic, which I really like. So you're not going in too harsh with it at first. Alright, now I'm going to go into this flat brush. This is the Bodyography Pro Flat Shader brush. And we're going to be picking up this color right here. And I forgot the names are on the palette, so this one is Just a Kiss, the color Just a Kiss. And when we pick that up, we're just going to be spraying the brush to get the full, pigment of it. And we're just going to lay it on the lid, nothing too crazy, just lay it on the lid. And now that I have it laid on the lid where I want to, I'm just taking it on my finger and just placing it on top just to get, the full pigment of it. It didn't really show out too good. I feel like I need to use a more dense brush. And I'm just kind of placing that on the lid. Now I'm just going to go back into that Morphe M513 brush. And we're going to go into this color up here, which is a darker brown. And we're just tapping into that. And we're just using it just to blend out the edges of the shadow. And I'm going to go in with the first brush we used just to kind of round out and really blend it out. Now going in with this Morphe M433 brush, And I'm going to go into the second color we were using right here. And I'm just going to pick it up and rub it under my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Miss Corina Diamond Eyeliner. It looks like this, and it's in, it doesn't have a color. But anyways, I got this on Shop Miss A for $1, and I used this in my testing out the $1 makeup. And it doesn't have a shade, but it's this color, and we're going to just be drawing winged eyeliner on our eyes. Or trying to, at least, because that's hard to do on camera. Honestly, I already fucked up. Okay, so I did the first eye. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just so I can not fuck up. Okay, so that is done. I actually went in on top of it with a second layer, just a very little bit. So now we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Looks like this, and just put it on our top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now for the last step, we're going to go into this Colourpop liquid lipstick in the color Midi. And we're just going to put this on our lips. You guys know the drill. Okay, so that is the completed look. I actually really love how this turned out. I've had this look in mind for a good while now, and I finally did it. I feel like it's simple, but it gives a little bit of bold, like, pop to it if, you know, you just want to be fun, but you don't want to be too crazy. I just feel like I really, really like this, and it's just something that you can wear pretty often, I feel like. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.